Hello Year 5, welcome to your arithmetic video for Tuesday. Here are your questions for your arithmetic. Pause the video here to complete these. Okay, ready for those answers? Here are the answers for your arithmetic. When you're ready, press play and we'll move on and we'll look at the reasoning question for today. Okay, here's your reasoning question for today. Read it through carefully. Understand what the questions are asking you. Pause the video here to complete your work. Okay, what we're looking at here, question, or part A rather, how tall is the tallest building? What we're looking for is we need to look at this column here, the height column, and look for the biggest number in there. So the biggest one we've got in here is the Burj Khalifa at 828 meters tall. So I have our answer there. And then we need to look next, which building is 601 meters tall. So again, we're looking at the height column, and that one is the Abaraj Al Bait clock tower. So this one here is our answer for B. Question C, which two buildings have the same number of floors? So we need to look at the next column in our data set this time, which is going to be this one here with the star above it. And the two buildings that have the same number of floors are the Shanghai Tower, so this one, and Golden Finance 117. They both have 128 floors. Which building was completed most recently? So we need to look at the final column on our table, the year completed table, and look for which building is the newest. So which year is closest to the year we're in now? And that's this one here. The Golden Finance, finished in 2019. Now we're going to look at answering some questions looking at some of the information we've got. So question E, how much taller is the Burj Khalifa than the Golden Finance building? So I need to look at how tall the Burj Khalifa is, and that comes in at 828 meters. And we also need to look at how tall the Golden Finance building is, and that's 597 meters. And now to work out the difference, we need to subtract those two numbers. 8 take away 7 gives me 1. 2 take away 9, we can't do that, so we need to exchange down from the hundreds into the tens. We've now got 12 take away 9, which we can do to leave me with 3, and then 7 take away 5, it's 231. Now you need to be careful with this one. It's 231 meters when you write your answer down. All the measurements in here are given in meters, and I know I keep saying it, but if you have a measurement in your question, make sure you give your answer using that measurement. 3/5 of the buildings are in China. That's our final question to answer. Is this statement correct? We need to look at the country, so where each building is. And we know this is correct because there are 5 buildings in this list and 3 of them are in China. Today, or tomorrow rather, can you come and find me and tell me orange strawberries? As before, I'll know exactly what you mean.